níbo la tún já sí báyìí o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ àti ìyàwó ẹ̀ Iyan Aladuke. Eléyìí tún lágbára ó kà màmá ẹ wá gbọ́ àṣírí oríṣiríṣi o bó ṣe ń ṣẹlẹ̀ àti ibi tí wọ́n bá ọ̀rọ̀ náà dé. Ẹ wò ó, ẹ má jẹ́ ń bẹ tán, ẹ̀yin fúnra yín ẹ wo fídíò yìí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wò ó, ẹ máa bá mi like, kẹ́ máa bá mi share, kẹ́ máa comment. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ tí subscribe, ó yá ẹ tẹ subscribe button yín, kẹ́ dẹ̀ tẹ notification button so that tí n bá ti upload news tuntun ẹ máa rí immediately. Ọwọ́ tẹ fi ń tẹ gbogbo button yìí ẹ ní fi gbọ́mọ sí o, ẹ fi pawó ayọ̀ lórúkọ Ọlọ́run. Ẹ ṣé
ṣe
púpọ̀.
rí ọ̀rọ̀ Iyan Aladuke tá à ń sọ yìí, Mr. Kunle, ṣé ìgbà tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ pé wọ́n ra property, one thing we should ask ourselves is, did Femi Adebayo said pé òun ra property fún ìyàwó òun? Mo mọ̀ pé ẹ sọ pé ibẹ̀ ló ti ń ta oúnjẹ kí Femi Adebayo kó tó fẹ́ kó tó rà. But when they were buying it, was it mentioned or did she mention that this thing was bought for me? Àbí Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ ra nǹkan, ó kàn rà á pé okay, I want to buy this building and I just want, it's my building but you can continue to work or to have your store in that place.
Okay, mọ́mí ọ̀sẹ̀ fún kó
Yes,
ẹ̀rọ
sir.
ìgbéyẹ bọ́ nǹkan kan ló máa ń fa kankan wá. Fẹ́mi Ọ̀sàdé lọ síbẹ̀ kó fẹ́ lọ ra building tó bá yẹ kó Ọ̀sàdé ó rà fún rẹ̀ gan influence ìyàwó ẹ̀ ló fi lọ ra bẹ̀yẹ, ìyàwó ló ti rẹ́ǹtì bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ń lo bẹ̀yẹ ló ti mọ bẹ̀yẹ. Ó lè jẹ́ pé ìyàwó sọ létí ìyàwó ẹ̀ máa gbọ́ ó lè jẹ́ pé wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ ta bẹ̀yẹ o kó wá lọ fi tọ́ pẹ̀lú pé wọ́n fẹ́ ta nǹkan báyìí kẹ́ ẹ máa gbọ́ mi bóyá ó wà rà fún ìyàwó ẹ̀ o ó rà ló kọ family o ó rà fára ẹ̀ ni o. Náà ẹ jẹ́ ká mú point wá ìtẹ́mi fà ọ́ ni pé ní tó jẹ́ kí bẹ̀rẹ̀ wà lọ́pọ̀ fún ni pé torí pé gẹ̀ẹ́yẹ ò sanwó rẹ́ǹtì mọ́ ọ̀n tápò kìíní sí ibi tẹ́tí máa mọ̀ ní pé tápò kìíní ìgbà tí Fẹ́mi rà ó ń sanwó rẹ́ǹtì fún Fẹ́mi another landlord kì í tó pẹ́ lómi ló wà kí èsì Fẹ́mi tó pẹ́ another landlord ni sẹ́wọ̀n tó máa sanwó rẹ́ǹtì lọ ni tó wà tọkọ bájà yìí omi pọ̀pọ̀ lọ ti bẹ̀ pa.
Yes.
ọkùnrin
Ṣé wá rí? Yes. So ìyẹn
tó lọ ti bẹ̀ pa yẹn ẹ máa gbọ́ mi lílọ tó lọ ti bẹ̀ pa yẹn bó ṣe rà gan ó ní collection ìyàwó ẹ̀ nínú.
That is not what I'm saying. Get nǹkan tí mo ń sọ. Mi ò ní kò ní connection ìyàwó ẹ̀ nínú. But at the point of buying the property, ṣé ó sọ pé òun ra property fún ìyàwó ẹ̀ ni? Because we everybody is just speculating. Ìyàwó speculating sí pé báńkì ló pa lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Báńkì gba property lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ni. So irrespective of pé bóyá ó rà á fún ìyàwó ẹ̀ ó rà á fúnra ẹ̀ o wọ́n máa padà síbẹ̀ náà nítorí báńkì ló lọ gbà á.
Gbogbo wa la gbọ́ngbọ́n ká fẹ́ràn sẹ́nu ká wá tì.
Mi ò gbọ́ no mo understand nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ sọ but báyìí pé báńkì ló gbà á.
ìjà ló dé lórí ìdòwò láàrin wọn mi ì support ìyàwó ó rọrùn nǹkan tó ṣe o kó lọ jìyẹ kó mo sọ nbìkan mo ní pé tó bá fẹ́ lọ́kọ gan kó mọ̀ tíra kó fẹ́ níyàwó kó fẹ́ ní Yorùbá lọ́kọ nǹkan wọn máa kan sórí bóyá kó lọ fẹ́ Haúsá ẹni tí ò gbédè Yorùbá nǹkan wọn máa tú gbogbo first note yẹ kò dẹ̀ lé ní ibùdókọ̀ ilé ọkọ mi ò lè gbà lápẹ̀ first note yẹ. ní tí mo sọ ni pé Fẹ́mi rírà tó rà tó ti jẹ́ polókọ tó gbọ́ pé báńkì lọ́wọ́ ti bẹ̀ fáyẹ ó lọ́wọ́ Fẹ́mi nú ẹ má jẹ́ ká gba ìjà dé lóòótọ́ yẹ ó lọ́wọ́ Fẹ́mi nú Fẹ́mi ló máa pé ó lo báńkì pé kò tí wàá pò ń dẹwó.
Bọ̀ṣẹ́rí the thing is another thing tí mo fẹ́ sọ is
wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ lè gbọ́ ẹ̀.
bọ́ńtẹ́mi sọ ni wípé let's welcome yẹn lẹ́yìn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé ní tó bá ti ń control fún ẹ tẹ́ pé olóhùn ti sanwó rẹ́ǹtì ẹ̀ fún ẹ tẹ́ kó dé pé kìíní má jẹ́ kẹ́ni lọ pé òun fẹ́ ra bẹ̀ pé tó pé ọkọ ẹ̀ àbí boyfriend ẹ jẹ́ kó ra bòmí fún ẹ máa sanwó rẹ́ǹtì yóò sì ẹ fún òkè káàtẹ́ pé jẹ́.
Mr. Kunle, you can't say that. You can't say that. Ṣẹ́rí nǹkan tó jẹ́ kẹ́ sọ nǹkan tó jẹ́ kẹ́ sọ lélẹ̀ of which we always I'm not I'm not women supporting women in all issues of life. In some situations, I don't support women. Ṣẹ́rí nǹkan tó ń fún rẹ̀ eléyìí tó fi ń fowó ṣoògùn kiri tó ń fowó lọ máa ṣe prayer kiri. Why did she have the money of her own? Why did she save? This marriage has been having problems not just this year.
Over 2 years.
2 years. So eléyìí tó fi ń fowó ẹ̀ máa wá wọ́n ṣe máa rọ èèyàn kan lápá rọ èèyàn kan lẹ́sẹ̀. Why didn't she save and stand on her own? Why didn't she invest in herself? Because sometimes we as women fair to some issues. If you are saying that this man has sold his property, in my own opinion, Femi mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe.
Hello.
Fine. We all know
Yeah.
that, and some people know that. But òun fún rẹ̀, what has she done to invest in herself?
Máa bọ̀ lókè every month.
mọ́mì ẹ jẹ́ bèbè kan lọ́wọ́ yín ẹ já fi lè
Ẹ
dé.
hold on, ẹ̀gbọ́n Kúnlé hold on. Every week ló ń gba 1 million.
Every month ló ń gba 1.5 million upkeep over somewhere.
Mommy, one with God, thank you, ma.
No, 800,000 ló ń gbà lóṣù o.
Olórí Abi, I think Mommy one with God just saying she came to appreciate you. Maybe
All
she
right,
wanted
ma.
to say
How you doing?
something.
All right. Ẹ ṣé gan ma. 800
ok
ìnáwó
ẹ jẹ́ àti 800 àti kíní yẹn ọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu àríyí síta rẹ̀ ní ti ọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu sí gbogbo tọ́jọ́
Mommy
sọ
one
yìí.
with God ẹ káàsán.
Bàbá Latifa
ẹ mọ̀ pé
ẹ̀ka
kéèsì ìdàbẹ̀ ni pé ní síbẹ̀
Ẹ
yín sí
káàsán.
Bọ̀dá Kúnlé hold on.
ẹ̀ka rọ̀ṣà ẹ má bínú
Ẹ wá.
àti last week tí mo ní mo máa wà mí ráyè mo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ off lálẹ́ àná ni so mo ní kí wọ́n appreciate yín ní public. Thank you for
Ẹ ṣé gan.
everything that you have been doing. God will
Ẹ
continue
ṣé
to
gan.
guide you. God will continue to protect you. Ní ìpele léyìí kò yí àwọn ẹlòmíì tá a bá ń sọ yí pé ìpè kí Christian wọn máa ní pastor nìkan kọ́ lọ́lọ́run pè Ọlọ́run pè gbogbo wa sí ibi tó yẹ wá ní ìpè tiyín ara ìpè tiyín ní orí platform yìí. And like you have done wonderfully well on Facebook, you are doing wonderfully well again on TikTok. Lórúkọ Jésù ní fọmọ ṣe ní fàyà ṣe ní fẹ̀mí ara yín náà ṣe lágbára Èdùmàrè gbogbo ẹ̀yà ara yín tó bá kù díẹ̀ kí ó jẹ́ kó kù díẹ̀ fún lórúkọ Jésù Ọlọ́run á tún ṣe. Ní ìtẹ́ ti ṣe lórí justice for Mohbad àti other things tẹ́ ti ṣe lágbára Ọlọ́run á fi rajà ire fún yín. Thank you for everything that you have been doing. God will continue to bless you and everybody on his platform. Thank you all for what you have been doing. I love you all.
Thank you.
I just say mo ní kí n wá dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín ni ẹ ṣeun gan.
Ẹ ṣé gan. Ẹ ṣé gan.
Ìdòwú wo nǹkan tí mo kọ sórí tí mo inbox ẹ kó dá mi lóhùn jọ. God
Okay,
bless you everybody. Ẹ ṣé o, ẹ ṣeun.
Ẹ ṣé
Mommy
gan ma.
be
Thank you.
renewed. Thank you so much ma. God bless you ma for
Thank you,
everything ma.
Mommy.
Wọ́n ti
God
di
bless
forúkọ
you
korúkọ
everybody.
ọ̀gá mi o. Ìpè Ifá Látìfù. Ó pọ̀ yẹ̀yẹ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o, ìpè Ifá Látìfù bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ̀. Ẹnu
Ẹ
tí
ṣé
ẹ
gan.
kúkú gbọ́rọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀. Ẹ ṣé gan sir. God bless you
Ẹ
sir.
ṣé gan ma.
Kenny
Thank you ma.
wonderful day.
Thank you.
So
And you too.
Ìdòwú dá mi lóhùn. Okay, thank you
Okay
sir.
ma.
Bye bye.
All right ma. Ìdòwú ògbó àfìkèrè létí tó bá sùn lọ a sì máa játọ́. Ìdòwú ògbó
Mi ìdẹ̀ wá já
àfìkèrè
tọ́mọ
létí.
ẹ̀gbọ́n mi.
Tẹ́lẹ̀ tó máa ń játọ́.
Máa ń já tọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀. Àǹkọ́ fà á kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Ó ti yàyà kúyà. So obìnrin ni ò ẹ continue ma.
Wọ́n láwọn fẹ́ béèrè nǹkan kan or something.
All right. Ọmọ jọ tó
Because
lọ́lọ́ máa
nǹkan tí
ẹ̀kọ́ kó bá
Mr.
mi inú mi dùn pé òrìn ẹ ó dọ̀mà. Máa tó pé ìlànà tó lóun fẹ́ sẹ́ndowó máa ìfẹ́ dá confusion sílẹ̀ wọn ò sẹ́ndowó kankan o. Owó Damlog ti pé mi ní ìdówó kankan fún Damlog for now. Owó Damlog ti pé nítorí ẹni tó ń pè lánàá tó ní òun máa sẹ́ndowó mi rí kankan wọn sẹ́ndowó. Kọ́ má fi ba tí mo ti ṣe tó ti dáa jẹ́ kọ́ má dà pé mo tún ń gbowó lẹ́yìn mi ò gbó kankan o. That is that about that. Yẹn mo ní kí n ṣe disclaimer. Bó ṣe wọlé báyìí mo rántí ó yẹ kí n ti ṣe látàárọ̀. Ẹ bó ṣe ṣe báyìí mo rántí.
Àwọn náà ń gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ nù.
So that kọ́mi àti owó tí Damlog ti pé mi ní ìdówó fún Damlog for now. So owó Damlog ti pé thank you for àwọn tó dáa ẹ ṣé gan mà ojú òní tí. Bọ̀dá Kúnlé kí ló wá rí mú bọ̀ bí tó rìn lọ ọmọ.
Question tí mo fẹ́ bí mọ́ mi rí ni pé àsùnmù pé ẹni tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ àbí jẹ́ pé èmi ọ̀ mo kọ́ ilé tèmi àti àwọn mi jọ ń gbé àtọmọ now èmi àti àwọn wa ti jà mo wá ti kó lé fún àbí 1 year àbí bí 6 months mo ti kó nílé mi wálé òun ló ń gbánulé the next thing tó kàn máa rí after bí 6 months ni pé ó rí lẹ́tà pé mo ti talé kí lẹ bá lè máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí yẹn pé mo
Talé náà.
pé mo ti talé mọ́ ìyàwó nínú pé mo talé àbí mo sọ pé mo owó mo fi rẹ́ǹtì owó lọ mo fi lé yẹ rẹ́ǹtì mo fi yáwó lọ́wọ́.
No, wọ́n no default ní bank mortgage nílé yẹn.
sóye yín ká ní méjèèjì náà kọ́ yẹ mortgage ni wọ́n wá dé múwèé wá báyẹn in tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ṣọ́ọ̀bù ẹ̀ wọ́n ká gbé sórí.
Ìṣẹ́rí, we are not saying that. We are not blaming. We are not saying that what he did, tó bá talé mọ́ ìyàwó ẹ̀ lórí, it is wrong. But what I'm saying is, in this case, she understand that pé bóyá tó náà ló rent shop bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀, so kò wá ní support pé kí Fẹ́mi ra building yẹn. Tó fẹ́ ra building yẹn, yes, he has the right. In the first place, ìgbà tó fẹ́ rà á, ṣó lóun fẹ́ rà á fún ni? Nǹkan tí mò ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín nìyẹn. Ó lóun fẹ́ rà á fún. Fine, ìgbà tó ń fún rẹ̀ tó ń tajà ń bẹ̀. When you know, even family kan tí ò ní problem, tí wọn ò ní jà, as a woman, you should be making money for yourself, investing in yourself. So gbogbo time tó ń tajà yẹn níbẹ̀ yẹn o, ńgbà tó ń ti wà ti shop, what has she gathered for herself? That's the question. What has she done? What investment does she have for herself? This marriage has been having problems. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa tanra wa. Òun fúnra ẹ̀ ló ń love, ló ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀. Femi doesn't love her anymore. She's the only person fighting. Òun ló ń bá àwọn colleague Femi jà. Òun ló ń ṣe gbogbo on behalf of Femi. So all those times, what was she doing with herself? Was she investing instead of wasting time doing all those things? Don't she? She should have been investing in herself. At least, Sherry, the thing is, she should have known that someday this thing is going to happen. They have been separated for 2 years. So, one will say, okay, so you just have to live your life like, well, he has to continue to feed you. No, I don't really support that. Èmi ò ní pé bóyá torí pé ó lọ talé or anything ó gbélé sílẹ̀ o. I know that he knows what he's doing, but the truth still remains that kí ló ń fún rẹ̀ tí ń ṣe all along. Ó wá délẹ̀ tán sìn, she's shouting, people are saying wọ́n gba ṣọ́ọ̀bù lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Tó bá gba ṣọ́ọ̀bù lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ kò lè lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ business níbòmíì ni tó bá yẹ pé òun fún rẹ̀ dúró tán. This is a shop that she's been running for years, mind you.
She was independent. So what happened to that independency?
Excuse me.
Sorry, Uncle Sherry,
Mommy Bill,
you are 100% right.
Káwọn obìnrin lẹ̀ lẹ́sìn lórí eléyìí tó ń rẹ́ǹtì tẹ́lẹ̀ tó pọ̀ owó rẹ́ǹtì ẹ̀ ní owó rẹ́ǹtì fún yẹn tó ní. Má tó pé tó bá olóko kàbí kíní kan tó yẹ pé kíní tó bá tẹ̀ máa ra sọ jẹ́ kó ra bòmíì fún ẹ. Jẹ́ kó ra bòmíì dẹ́pọ̀ mọ̀ pé oníṣẹ́ pọ̀.
Kò rápù in the first place. Kò sí kò rápù in the first place. Bóyá ẹni kò lọ rẹ́ǹtì bòmíì fún. Bóyá ẹni kò lọ rẹ́ǹtì bòmíì fún. Ṣé ọmọ náà fẹ́ ra lé fún ni?
Ó yẹ ẹ jẹ́ bèbè kan lọ́wọ́ yín mà.
Ilẹ̀ tọ́ra fún ṣèbọn ló tà á ni. Kò ṣe láti tẹ́lẹ̀ ìpìlẹ̀ tọ́ra fún.
Ẹ jẹ́ bèbè kan lọ́wọ́ yín. Kádọ́ pé Fẹ́mi ò ra bẹ̀yẹ kó sì sanwó rẹ̀ntì yẹn lọ wọ́n já ni Fẹ́mi á lọ ti bẹ̀yẹ pa.
Of course kò lè ti bẹ̀.
Tí mo fàyọ nìyẹn tí mo ti káwọn yẹn fi lẹ̀ lẹ́sìn nìyẹn.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n Kúnlé ń try láti support gẹ́ yìí ni. Ẹ̀gbọ́n Kúnlé ṣe ń try láti support gẹ́ yìí.
Mi ò support ẹ̀. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ò ní pé kó bá máa lọ́kọ̀ kan kó máa try kó fẹ́ lọ́kọ̀ Yorùbá. Ìtí mo sọ ni pé mistake tó ń ṣe yẹn táwọn obìnrin mi máa ṣe rẹ̀ pé tó kó lọ́kọ̀ ibi tó ti ń sanwó rẹ̀ntẹ̀ lọ lọ́kọ̀ máa sanwó rẹ̀ntẹ̀ lọ.
Bùrákúnlé ẹni sùúrù, let's be candid here. Bùrákúnlé ẹni sùúrù, ó ń lo bẹ̀yẹn, ó ń lo yes, kí Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ kó tó fẹ́ ló ti ń lo bẹ̀, àgbà bẹ̀. But bí àwọn tó nílé fẹ́ tabẹ̀, ìgbà tí wọ́n fẹ́ tabẹ̀, bóyá òun ló sọ fọ́kàn ẹ̀ pé ibi tí mò ń lò yẹn o, ẹ jẹ́ ká rò bẹ́ẹ̀ o, wọ́n fẹ́ ta o, ọkọ dẹ̀ rò pé ibẹ̀ dẹ̀ da o, bóyá kò ń rà. Ọkọ dẹ̀ ra bẹ̀ nìyẹn tó bá jẹ́ pé àwọn aráàta náà ni wọ́n rà ńkọ́ tó bá lè dànù níbẹ̀ kí ló fẹ́ ṣe. But the problem here is during the time tó yẹ kóun fi build ara rẹ̀ as a woman marriage yẹn ló ń try láti build. She's not building herself, she's just trying to build that marriage bí a máa work lẹ́fí bí pé ó ń ṣe oògùn káàkiri.
Nǹkan tó ti mọ̀ pé kò lè work right from time. Wọ́n ti fi wọ̀n tẹ́lẹ̀.
Sherry, apart from
so why don't you just back up your things?
Just because that these people are celebrity, Just because these people are celebrity, that's why we are saying all this. Shebi, it's happening in most houses. There are some things in marriage that you cannot fix. That the best thing is for you people to go your separate ways. Tó bá dẹ̀ tí ń rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, is either kò gba kámú pé ìwọ as obìnrin, okay, marriage yẹn ẹ ti ń try láti mend ẹ̀. If the marriage work, fine. Tí marriage ò bá, just specialize on your work. Iṣẹ́ èèyàn gangan lọ́kọ èèyàn. Ọkọ yìí dẹ̀ ti rí pé the only place tóun ti lè bá mu, tóun ti lè bá fìyà jẹ gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣe fún ibi iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ yẹn. Ó sì mọ̀ pé kò ní any other option. Gbogbo ìgbà tó wà níbẹ̀ tó ń rí owó, tífẹ́ yẹn ṣì ń dùn, kò fowó yẹn dín kankan mọ́lẹ̀. All she's just focusing on is my husband has money. My husband is a celebrity. That is all he's doing.
Sister Mariam, ẹ ti sọ èyí tó dá bẹ́ẹ̀ ká ní kò ṣe pé ilé ti kún ni bá fi ń ṣèyàwó kẹjọ. Ṣé rí nǹkan tó wọ̀n Mr. Kunle on fi side lady yẹn lóòótọ́ ṣe get because tí nígbà tó rent ibẹ̀ tó tẹ́lẹ̀ tó ń ta oúnjẹ ń bẹ̀ tí àwọn èèyàn àwọn fẹ́ tàbí àbáwọn tó níbẹ̀ fẹ́ tà ọkọ wà rà ìgbà tó kọ́ rà kò lé ẹ kúrò ńbẹ̀ náà ó yìí fi ẹ́ síbẹ̀ náà ni tí ó bá ṣe pé ìwà burúkú ìwà èpè tó wà lọ́wọ́ ìyàwó yẹn ni tó jẹ́ pé àwọn tó bá ń lé gan tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti fẹ́ ẹ before ọkọ tó wá fẹ́ wọ̀ tó dẹ̀ lọ́mọ àgbàlagbà ó wò wá yẹn òun wò pé tó ló jẹ́ ìyàwó kékeré pé tiẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ yàtọ̀ sí táwọn ọ̀dà ìyàwó tó wà lọ́dọ̀ ẹni yẹn. And this is one thing women need to understand. Tó bá fẹ́ irú ọkọ làgàtà báyìí tó yẹ pé oríṣọkúsọ ni tó bá gun platform ó máa sọ̀rọ̀ kó àtòbò ni ìwọ wá sọ pé ìwọ ọmọ pastor ni what you are saying on the platform I don't like it gidi kan kí ló ti ṣe lọ fẹ́ you need to understand your partner and gbogbo wèrè pé tọkọ bá sọkúsọ ìyàwó náà lè sọkúsọ tọkọ bá jẹ ilá ìyàwó náà lè jẹlá tọkọ bá ṣe ṣìnà ìyàwó náà lè jẹ ṣìnà. It does not work. Do your own responsibility. Do your own part as a woman, as a wife, as a lady in your marriage.
Mr. Idowu Lagata, this one that you are saying that if your husband is cheating, you too, you don't have to cheat. There is one thing that you should understand as men. It's not as if women cannot cheat. We are all equal. It's true. Excuse me. That does not give you. That does not mean that you should promote. No, don't promote. One thing I want, and I'm always saying it anywhere. When a woman doesn't cheat, it's not as if she's not seeing someone that is better, much more handsome than her husband. But because we just kill her best of all more.
Just protecting her name.
Come on.
I'm not promoting cheating, man.
Yeah, but don't say that.
I'm just saying that I'm obìnrin talk about cheat because my husband cheat, I have to cheat too. Let me summer. Me promote it. Ẹni pé gbà tí mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ mo ń sọ mo ń ṣe example oríṣiríṣi kí tó dé ti bi cheating ẹni mà.
Mr. Lagata.
Ṣé get nǹkan tí mo sọ mà.
Ẹ bá ti ń jẹ ẹlá ẹ máa jẹ ẹlá yẹn kan máa fi oríṣiríṣi shrimp ẹ máa spice ẹ up ni ilé nìkan ni kẹ máa jẹ ẹyẹ máa jẹ ẹlá kẹ máa jẹ ewédú kẹ máa jẹ ẹ̀gúsí káàkiri.
Ó máa ń yáyàn ń gbẹ ni. Nǹkan tèmi sọ ni pé àwọn obìnrin tó máa ń believe pé 50-50 equal right.
No. Yeah, you're right. Really.
Because nǹkan yẹn ló máa ń ba marriage jẹ́. Wọ́n á ní you go out with your friend today, you go out with your friend tomorrow. Èmi náà máa jáde. Nobody is asking you not to go out. But don't now say that because your husband is going out to have a meeting or to have a chill out with his friends and all of that.
What you are saying is that don't make it a competition. That's
don't make it a competition. Setting. Ọmọ máa jowú gbóná ọmọ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ wọn máa lọ bọ́ọ̀rẹ́ wọn pé ọ̀rẹ́ jọ iye bàbá yóò fún mi látẹ̀ńṣọ̀n bàbá wo ló mọ̀ tó máa mú mi lọ ọmọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa lọ ṣoògùn gbogbo time tó yẹ kó máa fi plan bó ṣe máa settle bó ṣe máa sort out ilé ayé ẹ pẹ̀lú ọkọ ẹ pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ ẹ bó ṣe máa prepare life wọn. You are busy reporting your marriage situation to your friend. Your friend you are reporting your marriage situation to. Ó mọ̀ bóyá ọ̀rẹ́ yẹn gan spec ẹ̀ lọ́kọ ẹ̀ tó fẹ́ dọ́kọ ẹ̀ tipẹ́tipẹ́. Ìṣẹ́jú kan péré pátí lẹ́ máa jọ wà papọ̀. Tó bá ní bàrà Fẹ́mi ń fẹ́ bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ kan o. Àwọn ọkùnrin adẹ̀bàjẹ́ kínní yẹn ká tó lè pè yàwó wa jókòó pé ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ sọ nǹkan báyìí fún wa. Ó máa ń pẹ́ gan àfi ọkùnrin tọ́lọ́run bá kó sí inú nìkan ni. So ìwọ fúnra ra ẹ ló lọ ta iṣẹ́ ọkọ ẹ síta fúnra ra ẹ torí nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ilé yín kí ló ń gbé sọfọ rẹ ẹ fún. What are you doing that? Okay ọ̀n ra bẹ̀ yẹn ó ti pọ́kọ ẹ jókòó rí pé baálé mi o ibi tẹ́ ra yìí o bá ra kí ló bá ṣẹlẹ̀ o. Tí ìwà ẹ bá dà tí ò wà burúkú tọkọ bá nídìí help gan tó bá nídìí owó tó fẹ́ lọ yáwó gan ó lè má fi bẹ̀yẹn lọ yáwó. Ó lè má fi bẹ̀yẹn lọ yáwó kó lọ wá nǹkan míì bọ̀ tí ìwà ẹ ò bá da ẹ mọ̀ pé Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ gan ti máa rí àwọn ìwà inconsistency tí woman yẹn ń wù wọ́n ti máa ká sára. Kò sí bí àwọn ọkùnrin ò ṣe ní máa smell àní máa ráwọn wà ó lè jọ pé jọ́tọ́jọ́ wà tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ tó jẹ́ pé ìsọ̀rọ̀ sí obìnrin sọ́kọ ẹ̀ gan nígbà míì á máa jẹ́ kó máa wò pé ṣé mo lè last pẹ̀lú obìnrin yìí ṣá. A máa ń ro lọ́kùnrin a lè má sọ síta as communication but we think about it. Yes obìnrin náà lè lọ́kùnrin tó wá ń sọ̀rọ̀ jọkọ ẹ̀ lọ agreed but tí ìdí bá bàjẹ́ ńkọ́ torí ìdí ló máa da. Ọkùnrin lè láya púpọ̀ kò sí nǹkan tó burú ńbẹ̀ tóbìnrin bá ti ń lọ́kọ púpọ̀ ó daṣẹ́wó nìyẹn. Ayé la ti bá.
Of course, you're right.
Ayé jẹ́ la máa fi sí lọ. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa dé sí tó máa ní pé òun jóbìnrin òun lọ́kọ mẹ́rin òun lọ́kọ márùn-ún kò possible. Àwọn míì ṣe lóòótọ́ ní Uganda and sísọ ti ń ṣe but does it look normal? No it doesn't. Tọkùnrin bá délé ní tó bá ní billions of naira tó bá ní billions of pounds tó bá ní you know what mo fẹ́ fẹ́yàwó mẹ́fà mo dẹ̀ máa ra ilé kọ̀ọ̀kan fún ọ ilé worth of 100 million pounds mo fẹ́ rà á fún yín àtẹ̀yìn ọmọ yín kẹ́ máa gbé bẹ̀ máa sùn ìjọ kan Saturday ìjọ kan Monday ìjọ kan Tuesday tó bá lágbára ẹ̀ ó lè ṣe man. Ṣe get
òun náà látàtà kì í ṣe tètè ń pa wọn òun náà lọ ṣe kí n pẹ́.
Wọ́n dẹ̀ máa jẹ́ kó máa
sùn káàkiri.
Wọ́n máa ṣe rasa ìṣe wa.
Ẹni tó lọ léyàwó mẹ́fà ṣe àwọn
nǹkan tí madam béèrè ni o consequences there is consequences for everything for every action there is a reaction and that's the truth and that's what you are saying and you are 100% correct. And on the side of Lagata, what I think he was trying to say is that once you put competition in between your spouse, either the man or the woman, you have started heading to destruction. Is the destruction of that relationship? There's no two way about it. And
Mr. Sheyman, kóbìnrin máa sọ fọ́kọ ẹ pé ó yá ṣí fóònù ẹ tẹ nọ́mbà wo ló pè tẹ password ẹ sí give me your phone.
It doesn't even make any sense.
Àtòbìnrin àtọkùnrin kò yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀.
Àtòbìnrin àtọkùnrin kò jẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Do your part, be responsible in your marriage, do what you need to do the needful. Ẹ máa ní talẹ̀ ń bá sọ̀rọ̀, ìyàwó àwọn àpálọ̀, ọkọ àwọn àyàrá, a máa sọ̀rọ̀ lórí phone, wọ́n máa yẹ drop.
What's funny? To baba when you want to either a woman or a man, when you decide to you date somebody before getting married, and you know that this person is in a particular profession, and I don't know what I've seen this happen. I don't know what some women and some men have in their head.
Baba
you find out that this person is a traveler man lokakiri.
And
change I mean, how on earth? I mean, and you didn't discuss this thing during courtship.
Yeah,
and you just believe that because it might happen. No, a lot of Obirini life career
Mr. Sheyi on a daily basis,
and that is what exactly is happening in this case.
A lot of family don't go through the same thing, sir. A lot of family. Kini terror so where Mr. Sheyman on a daily basis in people's marriage. Or terror so
very
just celebrity. Wàá fẹ́ ọkọ ó mọ pọ́kọ ẹ ó máa ń lọ club dédé pẹ̀lú àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ó máa ń ṣe fàájì ó wá fẹ́ tán ó ti accept the way he was o nígbà tẹ́ fẹ́ra yín o ó wá dé tán ẹ wá wọlé after bí 6 months ó fara nù ẹ mọ́lé kékeré ó wá fẹ́ jáde ó wá ń sọ fún pé baby ẹ fẹ́ wá nìkan lẹ́ ń lé ni kinní kan ẹ̀kọ́ ojoojúmọ́ lẹ máa ń jáde ẹjọ́ kẹ́ tó fẹ́ra yín ṣé kò kí ń jáde ni. ó máa ń jáde.
You would have set the record straight when you were dating.
But a lot of people don't
do. That's what I find out.
Yes.
I mean, I'm not even talking about socialization now, which is also part of it. You are very correct. But in most cases, you attack the person's career. I mean, it's crazy. It's crazy. Anybody that's, I mean, we all need to, it's callous. Then we now talk about socialization, this person lifestyle before you. I mean, all these things can be talked about during courtship. And if you know it doesn't work, it will not work for you. If the person says that's what you want, then you let the person go. But I want you to pretend when they were in their mind already pre-planned that once I marry this person, I'm going to attack this person's career. I'm going to attack this person's social life. That's wickedness.
All because you want to be selfish. All because you want to be selfish.
They want to change the man to their taste. That's their plan. Oh, my change.
Let's not, Mr. Peace. Let's not center this thing on men. It's both ways.
Both ways.
Yes, our mothers will think
I know, but
we are trying to encourage some things. No, we are not. It's both ways. This thing happens both men and women. There are some men that they will know that their wife is a banker and they will agree to marry this woman. This was not discussed during the courtship. And once they marry, they will start attacking the woman. They will not start going against the woman's career. I mean, you cannot do that. It's wrong. So it's both ways. Please let us address this thing holistically. Let us not be one-sided.
Believe in Mr. Sheyman, both parties need to learn to apply emotional intelligence in their courtship, their marriage, or whatever. How you can balance both situations. It goes both ways, like you call it said, sir. Because in as much as we human beings are very selfish in nature, we are both man and woman. We are very selfish. But then, on what ground? Lamafini the same common ground. Tamafijo wopoke, ali balance arawa. Is applying that intelligence emotionally as well. Ọlọ́run á gbà fún wa. Tí woman ẹ̀kọ́ ni fún, especially to ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ ni fún everybody. If you love your husband, don't love your husband. Títí tó máa fi jẹ́ pé o máa ní kó máa ṣọ́ káàkiri. Àìmọye àwọn èèyàn tó ti ní pé máa bá mi ṣọ́kọ mi. Tó yẹ pé tó máa pé bí a secretary ọkọ wọn níbi iṣẹ́. Wọ́n padà fúnra wọn lóyún ni sà. You know, a lot is happening. But torí pé lè kọ́ jáde síta ni. Lábẹ́ ọ̀run, àwọn èèyàn tó ń gbọ́ wa náà ń sìn lábẹ́ inú ọkàn wọn. Wọ́n ń wò pé kí ni ilé ẹ̀ ń bá mi wí o. Mi lè wá sókè wá sọ̀rọ̀. Lóbìnrin ẹ change ẹ lè máa ṣọkùnrin tọkùnrin bá fẹ́ ṣe ṣìnà á ṣe anyway tóbìnrin bá fẹ́ ṣe ṣìnà ó máa ṣe ìwọ ló máa mọ̀ pé mi ò lè fẹ́ ròyìn báyìí mo lè fẹ́ ròyìn báyìí. You see all those red flags. Well, I will change, I will ṣe kinní kan. For how long is it gonna happen? It will continue to happen. And nǹkan tó máa ń pa ọkọ nìyẹn tóbìnrin máa wò pé kò fún mi time ọ̀dọ̀ ìyáálé ló wà ọ̀dọ̀ kinní kan ló wà. Bàbá bá mi ṣoògùn sí kó máa rí tèmi nìkan rò ibi tó ti lọ ń ṣoògùn gan wọn á tún gbógun fẹ́ fún ọgàn wàá tún máa fẹ́ babaláwo wàá ti bí 10 síbẹ̀ kójú ẹ tó là o kàn ń gbà wọn ní kó máa lò máa fi sóúnjẹ fún òde fi sóúnjẹ fún àwọn ọkùnrin àdé ìdílé náà ni ìyá oúnjẹ wa ti rẹ́dì wọ́n ti fọ gbogbo mi.
Even wọ́n lè gbé ìtì ọkọ ẹ̀ gan
tó máa fi ṣaláìsí
kó jẹ́ ọkùnrin gan the way same thing for ọkùnrin.
Yeah.
In fact, one of the coming from to Aroko is for that person to turn and start coming to them. I mean, these things that Lagata is talking is reality and it's both ways. Kasha, I mean, the issue of Mohbad, in fact, that one is the lesson in that one is huge. And until Barry in Konkomuni lesson in Mohbad's case, I'm sorry for that person. It might be no if it's an insult. I'm not insulting anybody because there's too much to take away from Mohbad's case, especially lórí ọ̀rọ̀ bí wọ́n ṣe how you trust people, how I mean it's a lot on Mohbad's case. This is another one now that is is pointing a lot of issues when it comes to relationship, not just even marriage. Because even people that are not married, that are dating, courting, there are lessons for us for people like that to learn here too, so that you can be able to like cut off some things that can be a problem in future on time. There's too much to learn. Like Ata said, so Waku is now left for each and every one of us to be objective and not be emotionally driven. Let's be objective. Let's not start saying, oh, Femi is right and this man is wrong. Of course, it's obvious who did. I mean, the one person went really, really far and very stupid and wicked. We all know that. But what is the takeaway for us in this case? That's what all of us should try to understand, like Ata is saying, and Madam Brinu has said, and a lot of other people here have said.